So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. And here we have Portugal against Ireland. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
Got things underway. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for? That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. They've managed to get it away. Out to the left it goes. Vitinha. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Matthews Nunes. He's made sure that that won't get through. Jota. Rafael Leao. Brown. Aim forward. João Cancelo does well to read it and intercepts. Now it's Rafael Leao. Rafael Leao, unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Tries a through ball. Whipped in. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Bernardo Silva. It's been a rather gentle affair so far. Knight battles to win it back. Get a throw in. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now the pass. Neat exchange. Well read, he sorted that out. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Stevens tries the route one option. Oh, good interception. Plays it out to the wing. Stevens passes it through. Away from immediate danger. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Looks like a good ball through. And that's been repelled. Turns and goes back. That was venomous. Nuno Mendes. Bernardo Silva. Danilo Pereira. Nuno Mendes. Looks to slip it through. Stevens. João Cancelo demonstrates his quality. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Nunes gets it back. Now the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. Now it's Diogo Jota.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Collins tries to get it forward quickly. Smallbone. Stevens. Collins pumps it upfield. Doherty looking to shoot. You can get that clear. Jota battles to win it back. Rafael Leao. Played out to the right. Jota. The shot's on! Goal! Portugal! And Portugal score first. Lovely goal. Perfect poise to set himself for the strike. Portugal break the deadlock.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
And it's Brady. Brown. That's a throw. Promising cross. Brave effort, total commitment.
I just thought it was great effort all round. I mean, he did so well just to get his head on the ball.
João Cancelo. Bruno Fernandes. Costa gets it upfield. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now the pass. Nice little flick. Well played, he saw that coming. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. There is the half-time whistle.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time because in truth they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to.
That gets things going for the second half.
Ireland need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Aimed long and direct. It's a loose ball. Rafael Leao. That's not going to make it. Doherty passes it through. Danilo positions himself well and cuts it out. Bruno Fernandes. Nuno Mendes. Done very well to intervene. Rafael Leao. Jota. Portugal have just about everyone back and central.
Yeah, clearly they're trying to show strength to what the opposition have seen as a weakness.
It's a safety-first approach. Brown. Bernardo Silva goes long and forward. 60 minutes played. Your impressions so far, Jim?
Well, the time has arrived to start taking risks. They may well be happy just to level this.
Stevens. Looks like a good ball through. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, he simply failed to just put a little more oomph behind that.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Someone looks like he's in need of protection here.
Well, he's the spearhead to the attack, and they need to blunt his chances.
Jota, he'll have a dip! They've done it! Two to the good, they have breathing space. Jota with the smoothest one-on-one finish. He is one very cool customer.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
Portugal have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Shoots! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Rafael Leao. Who's going to make this theirs? Stevens plays it long. Ruben Dias. Just about up to 75 minutes. Stevens. Brown. Doherty. Brown tries to dink it in. And that has put paid to that. Knight. Stevens with the ball through.
Ireland are not functioning with the cutting edge they need. We're seeing too much passing and not enough reward. It's time for more drive and certainly for more penetration.
Brown pumps it forwards. Ruben Dias cuts it out. Bruno Fernandes. Now it's Rafael Leao. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Tries a through ball. Ruben Dias boots it to safety. Rafael Leao. Collins gets it back. And it's Brady. Rafael Leao goes steaming forward. And that is that. Well, this hurts. The pain of defeat very evident, and there are hard lessons to be learned from it all when they regroup. So, Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
It's a poor result. They offered very little goal threat, and it's the kind of unproductive performance that can drain confidence pretty quickly. At the business end, they just can't close a deal.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.